Potatoes are one of the vegetables that have extraordinary health benefits, ranging from heart health to boosting immunity. Potatoes are an excellent source of phytochemicals, vitamins, and minerals such as vitamin C, potassium, calcium, iron, zinc, phosphorus, B vitamins and copper. Potatoes can also be consumed in various ways, one of which is used as a drink such as juice. Potato juice is not as good as other fruit and vegetable juices. But this juice has many health benefits. Here are 7 benefits of potato juice. 1. Improve digestion. Potato juice can help improve your digestive tract because it contains a lot of alkali. According to a study, potato juice can help reduce acid reflux, relieve gastritis, and reduce stomach problems. Pink potato juice is beneficial for treating stomachache. Drink half a cup of potato juice 2 to 3 times a day, 1 hour before meals. 2. Increase immune. Potato juice contains large amounts of vitamin C, a water-soluble antioxidant that fights infections and the common cold. Vitamin C protects the immune system from harmful pathogens that can cause chronic disease. 3. Relieves heartburn. Heartburn occurs when stomach acid flows backwards into the esophagus. Potato juice contains important compounds that coat the lining of the stomach, which helps lower stomach acid and heals gastrointestinal inflammation. Consume 3 to 4 tablespoons of potato juice half an hour before meals. 4. Increase energy. Raw potato juice is a natural energy booster as it contains natural sugars and energy-producing carbohydrates. The presence of B vitamins in potato juice also helps the body convert carbohydrates into glucose, thereby increasing your body's energy levels. 5. Improves heart health. The potassium present in potato juice can help clear clogged arteries and increase blood flow to the heart, which helps prevent heart disease and calcification of blood vessels in the arteries. 6. Lose weight. Raw potato juice can help you lose weight because it contains vitamin C, an essential vitamin that can help speed up your metabolism. Drinking potato juice after a meal can suppress your hunger, which will prevent you from overeating and lead to weight loss. 7. Prevents aging. The presence of B vitamins and antioxidants in potato juice can help improve blood circulation, which in turn, helps nourish skin cells and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. So, drink potato juice to keep your skin healthy.